M0FXB, welcome to my channel. I had a nice tip here from KQ4EDU, which is Dimitrios, and that is, I mentioned that when you push the buttons on the ICOM 52 and the 705, I'm not sure if you'll hear it in this video, there's a slight hiss. I'll try and turn it up. It's like a hiss, definitely a hiss there. Have a listen. You get this slight hiss whenever you push a button. And he said you can stop this. You just go menu, go round to settings, push the middle pad here, then go down to sounds, and then down again to key touch beep. Select that and then select off. And then you'll find now you're not hearing any hissing sounds at all. And of course, if you want to hear the beeps, then turn it back on. Just go menu, set, sounds, key touch beep, on, and then look, you've got key, beep volume level link. You can link the two as well, so it's basically the volume is the same sound as the beeps. Go back with the VFO, then you go up another one, beep level, there you are. Keep it to the volume you like. I like beeps on my radios. Okay, thanks to Dimitri. Thank you very much. Bye, 7-3.